You get email notifications when contacts fill out forms on your website. We actually store this data in the Customer Center as well. To review your form submissions, simply go to the Customer Center and under the Home tab, select the Forms link in the blue box on the left-hand side of the screen. This will load the form submissions page, and as you can see, we have a few search options here. You can choose which form you want to view submissions for. You can choose if the form is assigned to a specific user in your database, or if it's not. You can choose who the form is assigned to, and then you can also search by date range. So if I want to review all form submissions for a specific form, all I need to do is come to the form field and then simply choose which form I want to see the submissions for. So I'm choosing Contact Us, and then I'm going to choose Search the Forms List button, and that will load a list of all the users that filled out this specific form. If I wanted to get more detailed information on this specific contact, to see the actual values that they filled out on the form, all I need to do is simply click on the name of the customer, and then this will load the form submission view screen, and then it will provide me all the values that they filled out on the form. Now I'm going to go back to my previous page, so I'm going to click Return to Previous Page button. It's going to return me back to the form submission screen, and you can also export form data as well. So all you need to do is, if you see the button up here, you can export the form submissions. So whether it's one form submission or 100, you simply click on Export Form Submissions, and that will export all form submissions to an Excel file. If you would like to delete a contact from the form submissions, all you need to do is put a check in the box next to their name and simply click on the Delete Check button. Now if I'd like to run a search for all forms that have been submitted on my website, again, all I need to do is come up to my form section, and instead of choosing a specific form, I just choose all forms. I select the Search the Form List button, and then this will show me all form submissions across every form on my website. And to determine which form it was that the contact submitted, just look at the form column and it will simply tell you which form they submitted on the website. Now notice the export function is gone on this page, so if you do search for all forms, you cannot export that data because it's multiple values for each individual form. So you can only export the data for one specific form.